morning, guys. Jatanan Punkaham. Today, I want to share few information regarding the use of ambulance. Takuk te buku song. Jeng ang tini nau ni thani kok kesana naiman hike. Ambulance no tiye sini kisa information. Ada nama masuk mani. Pungai sisri. They horogo kabang man phone fayo chini lukorok well wishers among friends guardians kabang ma am chini phone fayo ka thitlang ni bagai ambulance ki saro horti khomolong kherengbar hospital ni titi edisini okay lukorok khadani takuk te bukuk song medical emergency to provide the quick response emergency support nani bagi se ambulance use khajago pamono disaster achai kha hanke kebu chare asai nani dakti ambulance nangi tong kha ke accident ang kha ke kaisa jaga ni kaite kaisa jaga life support dinani hinke emergency bono transport khainani nangkha ke the medical emergency ni je equipment ro dakti klangnani nangkha ke aprose med ambulance use khaijago kintu kathoi transport khainani bagai already he or she is declared as dead declare khaijagno kono somoyo ambulance by tlangi nogotoni meya obo chini medical ni rules so mane obo haike talangi maya yes kishu medical kishu ambulance tongo abaro gongkha hakchal transportation khane bai kthoi bo manamia zat shogia zat special babe design khaijak tongo abo haini bagni mortuary van jata kthina transport khane bagi hacha road langna thiga ke bono air conditioning system khai bono transport khai jago phiaba medical ni bagi emergency ni bagi disaster ni bagi quick response emergency ni bagi je jeng ambulance joto PSCO tongo joto CSCO tongo joto sub division hospital tongo Araroga even 102 ambulance betongo aboro thia sani kebono dakti emergency medical service provide khainani hinke quick response jata nanga apo process medical ni bagai ambulance use khaija ke phiaba katheri kanani bagai ya ke ang jotano request khayo my well wishers my friends my guardians who calling every month the people of Tripura across the state. They are calling me that my some of my relatives I had to carry from GB hospital to BM hospital to my native village to carry the dead body. Please provide me the hospital the ambulance of the Karangbar hospital. We cannot provide you the ambulances because to carry the dead body a mortuary van is there so ang lukurok no koyo norok no sak nani bagai no kok ma samani ktheri nani bagai kokhono jeng ambulance bai ara kaimaya ambulance ka thang borok emergency bon medical service na nang to approach mise jeng ambulance bai khai ara kaiman abagai angkha khayo tai sini khajani takuk te bukuk song o ambulance use na ti tamni bagi ka theri kanan bagi ambulance rohriya ambulance ko ma tongoi phano abo ni sanai rok ni hasing ani o ko sarung ambulance for only emergency service ni bagi se jeng medical transport tai emergency care service ni bagi se ka thangno theitu yung tongmane no emergency yung tongnai no bono mo thangna ni bagi se ambulance to bujibai khana ang khakai joton hambai tai belai khana salka hamongton joton khulumbai khe